Hello everyone, welcome to Simply.aiGuide. Google has just released Firebase Studio, which allows you to build full-stack AI-based applications completely for free. If you are a developer or just someone who wishes to have your own website or application for your business or just for your personal use, this is absolutely for you. Some of you might be aware of the agent-driven development like Cursor or even Laravel, but what makes Firebase Studio really special is it's built on top of Firebase Studio, which allows you to easily Firebase authenticate database tools and even access the AI tools that are being built on Google. So this is really cool. Today we are going to build a website for Simply.ai Guide with you guys together. So without further ado, let's get to work and let's see what we can get from Firebase Studio. Alright. Firebase.google.com and it will bring to this page. So they have a little bit of description about Firebase Studio. You can just read if you would like to. But for now, let's just go ahead and get started. So this is the studio, and just go ahead and say try Firebase Studio. Cool. So now we have the Firebase Studio. So as you can see, we have the prototype API with AI. We can just provide our prototype and we'll get the application that we need. Just before we do that, let's just check what we have in here. There is a new workspace. You guys can create new workspace separately or even import a repo if you have a repo in your GitHub, or even you can even upload a project if you have a project locally. So you can upload it and work here, ask help from the AI, and then complete your application or website from the Firebase Studio. But for now, let's just go back to the dashboard and provide the details that we need. So as I told you guys, today we are going to provide the details for our website, which is Simply.aiGuide, and yeah, get the results. So let's see what we can get together. I'm just going to provide specific details as much as possible. So here it is. We have like this is the YouTube channel and Instagram page that we have, and we need a fully functional website that lists AI tools and step-by-step guides. I have also tried to mention the clean and consistent style. So yeah, let's just go ahead and say prototype with AI. The good part about Firebase Studio is before it actually generates the result with the input that you provided, it will analyze it and categorize it as like features and style guidelines, and then it will try to ask you, is this what you mean? So yeah, this is the app blueprint. So yeah, as you can see guys here, this is the app blueprint. This is AI guide hub we have. So these are the features that we have suggested or we have requested for, and again these are the guidelines that the AI is going to use to provide or to build our application. So if we don't like any part of this, or even if you want to add some part, you can just come here, edit, add some stuff and just save it. Or even you can just, obviously I haven't provided anything, I just said save, so it's going to reload, and you can just ask here something, you can add or describe, and then it will automatically update the blueprint of the app before it will build it. So for now, I think we have a good prototype. So we'll just go ahead and say prototype this app, and then boom, the AI will start doing its magic and providing the results that we need. So within a minute, it's just building all the files that we need. So yes, and we'll just so yeah, the files has been created. Now it's checking for error before it gives us the result. If there is any error, it will try to fix it by itself. And obviously it might there might be some errors. Even it would display there is an error, but then you don't have to do anything manually. You can just ask the AI to fix the error. There is a fix button, and then it will fix it automatically. or even if you want to, and you can try to figure out what went wrong and what's the error and to edit it manually, but there is no need to do that unless you want to do it by yourself. So yeah, of course, after the result is being generated, you can also like alter the result. You can describe additional features you want, or even if you don't like the result is being generated, you can just type here what you want here, and then you can get like updates automatically. So yeah, it's being rendered in here, but for that we need an API. As I was trying to say earlier, guys, we have some error, so we have to fix that one, but you don't have to worry about it. Hopefully we'll be able to fix it. So now we just have to say auto generate. This is the cool part. You don't have to go anywhere to get the Gemini API. You just click auto generate and it will auto generate and integrate with your application. So that's really cool. So once the API is being generated and added to our code, we try to fix the error that we are having. This is to show you guys, if you get any error, you don't have to be discouraged. You just have to maybe like, Control Z to go back to the previous version and then try to work from that, okay? So yeah. Just have to wait a little bit. Yeah, as I was trying to say, guys, you will see a fix error button in here, so you just have to fix error. Obviously, if you want to go ahead and edit the code by yourself manually, try to understand what went wrong, you can also do that, but let's just go ahead and say fix error. So the AI will try to fix it automatically. Hopefully it will be able to fix it in one go. If not, if it gives you other error, just keep doing like, obviously it's an AI, it might have some errors, so you expect that. All right, so we have this AI. Look at the page that we have AI tool recommendations, and we can even enter and ask for recommendation on top AI tools. We have for writing ChatGPT, Jasper, copy.ai, for video creation, Synthesia, Runway ML, Descript, perfect. We have for email generation, this Midjourney, Stable Diffusion. For website building, we have Bookmark, Jimdo, Teleport HQ. Funny enough, I haven't used any of this, but yeah, look at this: automation, productivity, business, entertainment, education, others. Cool. We have like really great website in just a click. Wow, that's so great. So obviously we can interact and add in here, but what I want to show you guys is you can even come here, select some part and modify it. Okay, let me just come here and select this button. I just want to change the recommend button color to maybe let's just change it to yellow, right? Change the color to yellow. I mean, it's not anything standard. Probably it's maybe my favorite color. I just want to show you if you can add something. So that's all. You can do that as well. So just great. So here art duplication. It's like designing it, but then just you see instantly the color has been changed to yellow. Perfect, that's what you need. So I just want to show you guys also we can just describe something here. Okay, let me say what we can do here is okay, I want a footer that has, okay, add a footer that says simply dot AI guide and the current here. So add, okay guys, I'm holding a mic with one hand and trying to type with one hand. Yeah, also add developed by Mulubran with much love. Please subscribe and share. All right, let's see what we can get from this one. So we have just said add a footer, and then the AI will analyze the thing, and then boom, hopefully we'll get the files. Perfect. We are getting, it's updating the page file. So hopefully we'll be getting the result in a minute. Okay, it seems like it says an internal error occurred while processing your request. So yeah, we are not having the data. We just say try again. An internal error. So we'll just say try again. Okay. All right. It seems like the internal error is happening again. We can try to understand, but it seems like in the file, as you guys can see here, the current year, this is the current year Simply.aiGuide developed by Mulveran. The file has been added, but the server is having a little bit of issue, so we can just say try again. We try to don't discourage this kind of error, just try to fix it and again go back to the previous version. If we say control that, yeah, you see finally we have this Simply.aiGuide at 2025, obviously the current year, developed by Mulveran with much love. Please subscribe and share. So yeah guys, look at this. I didn't do anything, but look at this. We have a really cool website in here. So what you can do is you can come here, as you can see this share preview link, so you can come here, scan your QR code in your mobile, you can see instantly the result, add some changes. But now what I want to do is make this URL public so that you can share it with your friends or even on your social media accounts, or you can use this to share it like, you know, as something that you have done for your portfolio or something. So let's just click on this. So now we have this link is public. Now we have, so what I'm going to do is just to show you on new website, I mean on, like, let's go to incognito mode maybe here, that we have copied the preview URL. I'm going to copy it and just go ahead here and new incognito window. So I come here, I will be able to access the application. So this is the link that I get. Boom, we have, this is the link. I'm not in the like Firebase Studio, but I'm able to access it. So if you just copy paste and share it, the link, you will be able to get this. So let's try actually this. We haven't tried the recommendation. So let's say for example I need to, like, I'm doing a research. So I am doing a research on AI. Okay, on AI. All right. Could you could you please you as I told you guys, I'm holding my. Could you please provide tools that I can use? I'm holding my mic with one hand and trying to type with only one my hand. It's a bit slower. Yep. Recommended AI tools. We have ChatGPT. We have this one also, image generation, which is DALLE2. So yeah, we get instant recommendations. You can try it out. So yeah, you guys, we have a fully functional website within just an instant. That's really amazing. So for the deployment part, we can come back here. You say publish. When you say publish, you have to, like, say next here, but obviously Google will be asking you for a billing account. It's going to be like pay as you go. I think that's how it is, which means like when you use it, you will be paying for that. It starts from $0, obviously, but you don't exactly need to do that. As I showed you guys, you can get the preview link and share it, use it. It's public, you can use it anywhere. So yeah, that would be the option. But obviously, if you want to host it and deploy it, you can just say next here and then provide your billing account. For now, I don't have a billing account. I will just go with the another option. You guys also do the same. So this is how you can get your website. I'm really excited the result to see like this. I'll try to modify and deploy it so we can use it as our website. I'll be putting a lot of content is in here. As you can see, you guys can also have your own website within just a click. So
So yeah guys, this was all about today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. And if you want me to do a video on a specific topic or a tool, just drop a comment below. I'll check and I will do research and try my best to make a video about it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.